you be in a world that rejects you because of what you're carrying and because of who you are, and think that your life will be easy. Having money don't mean your life is going to be easy. Living in a big house don't mean your life is easy. Having a nice car don't mean your life is easy. Because you can have all of those things and the enemy attack your kids. You can have all of that and the enemy attack your health. But your life will not be easy, but you must maintain your praise and your honor unto God anywhere you go. And that's what Paul and Silas did. They maintained their worship, and the Bible said they praised God in the midst of their trouble. And there became a shaking. Somebody is looking for your light. Somebody is looking for your connection. Somebody that is standing by you. They need to feel the power of God through your life. Somebody say, I'm carrying the glory anywhere I go. Do I have a glory carrier in this room? Do I have somebody that have the glory of God upon your life, that anywhere you go, atmosphere must shift? Anywhere I go, atmosphere must change because of what I'm carrying on my life.